Are you tired of waiting at baggage carousels while watching other passengers grab their bags and head straight to their vacation? What if I told you that mastering carry-on-only travel isn't just possible, but could actually transform how you experience flying forever? Today, I'm revealing 7 game-changing secrets that airlines don't want you to know about maximizing your carry-on potential. Picture this scenario. You land at your dream destination, walk straight past the crowded baggage claim area, and step directly into your adventure while everyone else waits anxiously hoping their luggage made the same journey they did. This isn't fantasy. It's exactly how I've been traveling for years, and by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to do the same thing. Let me start with why this matters more than ever before. Lost luggage rates have skyrocketed recently, and the situation shows no signs of improving anytime soon. Airlines are struggling with staffing shortages, increased passenger volumes, and aging baggage systems that simply can't keep up with demand. When you commit to carry-on-only travel, you eliminate this risk entirely while gaining something even more valuable than peace of mind. You gain complete freedom. No more arriving at airports 2 hours early just to drop off a bag. No more paying outrageous checked baggage fees that seem to increase every year. No more standing around carousel number 7 wondering if your suitcase decided to take a vacation to a completely different continent. Instead, you become the traveler who glides through airports with confidence, knowing everything you need is right there with you. The foundation of successful carry-on travel starts with choosing the right luggage system, and this decision will make or break your entire strategy. Hard-shell suitcases offer distinct advantages that many travelers overlook. They provide superior protection for your belongings, maintain their shape regardless of how much you pack, and typically feature 4-wheel spinner systems that make navigation effortless. The key feature to look for is precise sizing that maximizes every inch of airline allowances without going over. Your suitcase should glide smoothly down narrow airplane aisles without bumping into seats or passengers. Quality wheels make an enormous difference, especially when you're rushing through airports or navigating uneven surfaces in foreign destinations. However, don't dismiss soft-sided luggage entirely. These bags excel in flexibility, literally and figuratively. If you tend to pack more than you should, soft-sided bags provide that extra bit of give that might save you from having to repack at the airport. They also typically offer slightly more internal space since the wheels aren't built into the case structure. Now here's where most travelers make their first critical mistake. They focus entirely on their main carry-on bag and completely ignore their secret weapon, the personal item. This is your game changer. Your ace in the hole, your 50% capacity increase that transforms impossible packing challenges into manageable puzzles. Your personal item bag should be strategically chosen to maximize space while fitting comfortably under the seat in front of you. This bag becomes your overflow valve for bulkier items like sweaters, jackets, and shoes. Think of it as your mobile closet that doubles as entertainment storage for long flights. Load it with items that can serve multiple purposes, like a large scarf that becomes a blanket or extra layers you can wear if needed. The packing sequence matters more than most people realize. Always start with your largest, bulkiest items first. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to maximize space efficiency and minimize wrinkles. Fill every gap and hollow space in your suitcase. Stuff socks inside shoes. Wrap chargers around toiletry containers, and use every cubic inch available. Here's a professional trick that will change how you pack forever. Create a jewelry straw system for necklaces and chains. Simply thread each necklace through a plastic straw and fasten the clasp. This prevents tangling completely and takes up virtually no space. It's brilliant in its simplicity and effectiveness. Liquids present the biggest challenge for carry-on travelers, but conquering this obstacle is easier than you think once you know the insider strategies. The TSA's 311 rule requires all liquids to fit in a single quart-sized clear bag, with individual containers limited to 3.4 ounces each. Most people struggle here because they approach it wrong. Stop buying those expensive travel-sized containers that claim to be leak-proof and TSA compliant. Instead, use simple medium-sized Ziploc bags that measure exactly 0.97 quarts. They're cheaper, more reliable, and you probably already have them at home. For the liquid containers themselves, forget rigid bottles and jars entirely. Flexible squeeze pouches take up dramatically less space and conform to whatever gaps exist in your liquids bag. But here's the real secret to liquid management. Eliminate as many liquids as possible by making smart substitutions. Pack bar soap instead of body wash. Use solid lotion sticks instead of cream. Choose sunscreen sticks over liquid lotions for sunny destinations. Each substitution removes one more item from your precious quart bag allowance. Keep your liquids bag easily accessible in your personal item for security screening. Don't bury it deep in your main suitcase where you'll have to unpack half your belongings just to retrieve it. Quick access makes security checkpoints infinitely smoother and less stressful for everyone involved. Your toiletry organization system can make or break your entire travel experience. Hanging toiletry bags are essential because hotel bathroom counter space varies dramatically from property to property. You want something that hangs securely and provides easy access to everything inside without requiring you to empty the entire bag just to reach something at the bottom. Look for designs with multiple access points, like bags with zippers on both top and bottom sections. This feature alone will save you countless minutes of frustrated digging every single day of your trip. Choose neutral colors that work for any gender if you're sharing or traveling as a couple. Temperature regulation becomes crucial when you can't pack multiple outfit options for different weather scenarios. Layer strategically with pieces that work together in various combinations. A light base layer, medium insulation layer, and weather-resistant outer layer can handle most climate challenges you'll encounter. Choose fabrics that pack small but perform well. Merino wool regulates temperature naturally, resists odors, and packs incredibly small for its warmth. Modern synthetic materials offer similar benefits at lower price points. Avoid cotton for anything except underwear and casual shirts since it takes forever to dry and offers no insulation when wet. Color coordination multiplies your outfit possibilities exponentially. Stick to 2 or 3 complementary colors throughout your entire wardrobe. Every piece should work with every other piece, creating dozens of different looks from just a few carefully selected items. Footwear presents unique challenges since shoes take up disproportionate space relative to other clothing items. Limit yourself to 2 pairs maximum, one you wear on the plane and one packed. Choose versatile options that work for multiple activities and dress codes. Modern athletic shoes often work surprisingly well in casual business and social settings while providing all-day comfort for walking. Electronics require special consideration in carry-on travel. Consolidate chargers whenever possible by choosing devices that share charging standards. A single high-capacity power bank can keep multiple devices running for days. Choose dual-purpose items like phones that can serve as cameras, entertainment systems, and navigation tools. Documentation organization prevents travel disasters before they happen. Keep all essential documents easily accessible but secure. Digital backups stored in cloud services provide insurance against loss or theft. Physical copies stored separately from originals offer additional protection. The final secret that separates amateur carry-on travelers from experts is mastering the art of wearing your heaviest items instead of packing them. Boots, thick sweaters, and heavy jackets don't count toward baggage weight limits when you wear them onto the plane. You can always remove layers once you're seated and store them in overhead bins. This strategy becomes especially valuable for winter destinations or when traveling during seasonal transitions. Your heaviest coat might weigh several pounds, but contributes nothing to your luggage weight when worn as your boarding outfit. These 7 secrets transform carry-on travel from a restrictive challenge into a liberating lifestyle choice. You'll never again experience the sinking feeling of watching an empty baggage carousel or the frustration of delayed luggage ruining your first vacation day. Instead, you'll join the ranks of confident travelers who stride through airports knowing they have everything they need right there with them. Start implementing these strategies on your next trip, even if it's just a short weekend getaway. Build your skills gradually and refine your system with each journey. Soon you'll wonder why you ever checked a bag in the first place.